Okay, welcome back to my channel. If y'all ain't seen my first video right before this one, then you need to go watch it. It was a platinum blonde fail, y'all. Like, my hair turned gray. Like, what the heck is this? What is this? Negative. So, I watched some YouTube tutorials and I seen them fixing it with lemon juice and conditioner. So we got some real lemons and we about to see if this works. If not, y'all will get to see this journey with me. So let's talk in more action. Let's get into it. I got 2.5 lemons right here. So total, what is that? Half, 5 slices? I don't know. But we got 2.5 lemons right here. I'm about to just take them out and just squeeze them in here. And then I got just some cheap conditioner. I think it's Suave. Yeah, Suave conditioner is really cheap kind. Cheapest one at the store. Excuse me, I got this propped up. Okay. And it's gonna be kind of lopsided. Well, y'all can still see me. And then I have a spray bottle, but it don't really work right. So probably once I mix it up, we'll see if I can just use my hands and pour it in there. I don't know. But anyway, so let's get cracking. There's a lemon. We're just gonna squeeze all of that in there. I'm just gonna squeeze all the juice. We're gonna get all this out, y'all. Okay, that's one. We're empty. And this juice is coming out pretty easily because I already pre-rolled the lemons. So like, you know, you put them on the floor, you step on them and roll them. That way they're a little bit softer because lemons are hard to squeeze the juice out. Okay, I'm gonna just finish the rest down here, y'all. Shoot, my arm hurt. Juice is strong. Okay, and last lemon. It's supposed to help get this gray out. So this is supposed to be like a home toner, I think. And I've seen some videos that say, oh, if you don't know, I'm in my bathroom. So if you ever watched my first video, it has the little vent thingy up there with the light or whatever you call it. So, or with the switch. So okay, that's all the lemons. I'm about to try to get all of these seeds out. Wow, that's a lot of juice for just these little bitty lemons. Okay, more for me. I'm just using my hands to get all the seeds out. Okay, these little bee seeds is playing with me now. I'm trying to play tag. Okay. So we got this much juice. It's kind of a lot actually. And then it says mix this with, I think, a little bit less conditioner. So it's supposed to be like 3 parts to 2 parts. So that way it gets on our whole head. So we got the Suave conditioner. We're just gonna pour some in the bowl. I think that's 2 parts. I don't know, I didn't measure it. We're gonna see. Mixing it up. I've also seen somebody do this with chamomile, the tea juice though, like it was just water. So I'm not sure. We don't have chamomile right now. We're just using what I had in my house, and I already had some lemons because I've been detoxing. So use what you got. I'm not a professional cosmetologist, but I do like to get creative. Okay, so I'm about to put it on. We're gonna see if this works. I'm just gonna use my hand. I'm not putting it in that spray bottle. I think it's mixed enough. We're just gonna dip and dab. Okay, y'all see this the color now? It's like gray and yellow and just very sloppy. So I'm just putting it all over, literally. And I don't even care right now. I'm mad that it's gray, so. And my hair is towel dried right now. They say this is even safe to use on like kids, but why would you want to dye your little kid's hair? Unless you like they got like the little dreads or something, or the little fades. I don't know. I wouldn't put bleach in my daughter's hair. She's only 3. Once she gets a little bit older, yeah. So I don't know if I'm tripping, but it looked like some of the gray is already gone. Y'all see that? Well, you probably can't. This lighting in here sucks, but it literally looked like some of this gray is already going away. Well, you know, lemon juice is acidic, so hold on, my phone say low battery. Woo, shoot! Ow, starting to burn a little bit. Jeez. It's gotta be the lemon juice. So I'm gonna I got this much left. I'm gonna just put it all in there with both my hands. Y'all, this stuff works. I see like little bitty streaks of gray, but not as much as I did before. Bro.